Well, good morning. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday today. Today I'm doing a quick little unboxing video for some product that I ordered several months ago when it became available on Amazon. So I'll kind of zoom back here. So the box is pretty good size. So I'll come back in. So this was an exclusive from Target. You could not get this anywhere, or excuse me, not Target, sorry, Amazon. You could not get this anywhere else. It's not available. So we'll kind of jump right into it here. Now, the sad part is I won't go inside once I open up the package, I'm not going to open the contents of the box. So I'm going to have to pull this off screen to get, and it's in another box. So here's the secondary box. If you kind of look here, you might be able to read what's inside if it can focus. Might be too close to focus, but I can go this way. So right there you can tell what's inside the box. So we'll cut more tape to get inside. So it is a fairly significant item. And that is what we've got inside. So it's from the show The Mandalorian. And what I think is really cool is you've got Mando, IG-11, a Scout Trooper, the Child, and Grief Karga. So that would be the character played by, and I'll forget his name here now, but from the Rocky film. And then we'll flip it around to the back. Carl Weathers. I knew I would remember it. So yeah, so it's kind of pretty cool. Oh, that's kind of neat too. You can actually, there's a code inside to get the ship for the Skywalker Saga Lego Star Wars video game. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so it is quite the set. I forget how many pieces it is, but it's considerable. And then of course they do show right there, they give you, that's the size of the figures, actual size. So this is 1,023 pieces. So it's a pretty significant size for the set. But yeah, it was worth getting it pre-ordered because the thing is, I'm sure it sold out, but I didn't really look anything back on it. As soon as I saw it available, I grabbed it. Anyway, this concludes this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a great rest of your Sunday. And even though this isn't a card opening video, I still will say it. Keep collecting.